Basic Navigation in Bloomberg Law from the Boston College Law Library. The search box at the top of Bloomberg Law can be used to retrieve a document or run a search. Bloomberg Law supports both Boolean and natural language searching. To pull up a document by citation or name, type the citation or name into the search box, but do not hit Enter or Go, because that will run a search rather than retrieve your document. Instead, wait for the drop-down menu to appear. Having typed in the citation 17 U.S.C. 102, we see in the drop-down menu, Go to this citation. Clicking on that will take us to the document cited. In a code section, the table of contents linked on the left provides a means of navigating particularly large sections of the code, letting you jump to the specific subsections you are interested in. You can move forward and backward through the sections of the code using the greater than or less than signs up near the citation, but a more useful thing to do is to click on the link above the section for the next largest grouping of code sections, in this case, Chapter 1, to see if there are additional sections in this chapter you should also be reading to better understand the section you are reading. For example, Section 101 Definitions may contain information essential to understanding the section you are reading. The General Info link on the right provides information on the document, in this case, the currentness of the code section. If there are multiple versions of this code section on Bloomberg Law, there will be a versions link under the General Info. Smart Codes is Bloomberg Law's statutory citator, taking you to cases citing this code section. Remember that a statute means what it says, but more than that, it means what a court says it means. To return to the Bloomberg Law main page, click on the name Bloomberg Law at the top of any page. The drop-down menu also lets you pull up famous cases by name and can help you locate databases to search or browse, like the Code of Federal Regulations shown here. Just remember to click on it rather than Go or the Enter key. Once you have selected particular content, like the CFR, the search box default changes from all Bloomberg Law to the content you have selected. You can browse and expand this table of contents, you can run a search through this content, or select just some of it to search. You can also search all of Bloomberg Law using the radio button under the search box. Another way to navigate Bloomberg Law is through the Browse link near the top. This brings you to the Browse All Content menu. While you can browse by type of material, like laws and regulations or secondary sources, a useful way to search for relevant content is to choose a practice center, which groups resources by areas of legal practice. For example, choosing the Patents and Trade Secrets practice area, we can then get a choice of specialties within that practice area. Let's pick Trade Secrets. The practice centers bring together resources useful for a lawyer with this specialty. The Trade Secrets area includes court opinions, news and analysis, laws and regulations, fast answers, legal analysis, and practical guidance. Practice areas can also include agency materials, federal documents, state rules, practice tools, chart builders, or dockets, if that relevant content is available on Bloomberg Law. To read more about navigating and searching Bloomberg Law, select What's New from the top of the screen. The What's New archive contains product help and walkthrough information on a variety of topics. If you can't find the answer you are seeking, you can always click on the live chat link for assistance.